Good morning, guys. In front of me is Sony Ericsson Xperia X8, and let me show you how to change the date and the time on this device. So at first, open the settings. Then find and select date and time. And here you have to turn off automatic date and time, smoothly unmark the stop indicator, and then set the date and time, and also time zone, manually by yourself. As you can see, from now on it is up to you what date and time it currently is. So also here you can change the format of your clock, so smoothly by tapping on this indicator you can apply 24-hour format clock or 12-hour format clock. So that's it, that will be all. Thanks for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.